Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question binary tree pre-order traversal. Okay, to be honest, we should know how to implement in-order, pre-order, and post-order. So let's focus on result.append. So for in-order, we do something between left and right. And for pre-order, we do something before left and right. And for post-order, we do something after left and right. And for this question, this is a post-order traversal, so we use this logic to solve this question. That is a basic idea to solve this question, so let's jump into the code. Okay, let's write the code. First of all, create a result variable, so this is empty array, and call, let's say, post-order, and passing the root node, and then return result variable. And let's create a post-order function. So def post-order and root. So if not root, so immediately return. If not the case, so this is a post-order. So as I told you, we do something after left and right. So post-order and root.left and post-order and root.right. After that, less.append and root.val. I think that's it, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good, and the time complexity of this solution should be order of n, where n is a number of elements in the tree. And the space complexity is also order of n. So in the worst case, we have skewed tree. Okay, let's implement another algorithm. Okay, let's think about another solution. So this is a post-order traversal. First of all, we have to traverse 4. But it's going to be tough to traverse 4 at first if we don't use first solution, because now we are root node. But look at the output. So root node, 1 is a last node, and now we are node 1, right? So from that hint, do you have any idea to solve this question? So my strategy is if we create a reverse of output, we can solve this question, right? It's like 1, 3, 2, 5, 4. So to create a reverse order of output, what data structure do you use? My idea is to use stack. I'll show you how. So we use 2 stacks, let's say stack 1 and stack 2. So stack 1 is to store a node we found, and then stack 2 is like a reverse order of output. And first of all, we initialize stack 1 with root node, so that is 1. And then we iterate through like a stack 1. So let's begin. First of all, we pop top of node, so that is 1, right? And then after that, first of all, we push current node into stack 2, so that is 1. And then after that, so we have 2 choices, and left and right, right? So okay, let's think about a small case, just 1, 2, 3. So in this case, post order is like 2, 3, 1, right? Like 2, 3, 1. So now we have 1. And the next number is 3, right? But we use stack, and we usually pop data from top, right? So in this case, which side should we take at first? So we should take left, right? Because next number is 3, and we want 3 on the top of stack. So that's why from 1, we take left side, and then push 2 into stack 1. And after that, check right side, we found 3, right? So that's why push 3 into stack 1, so that next time we can pop 3 from the stack at first, right? And then next, we pop 3 from stack 1, and first of all, push 3 into stack 2. And after that, check left and right, but both sides are null, right? And we don't push anything into stack 1. And then we finish traversing. So next, we have 2. So that's why we pop 2 from stack 1. And then, first of all, push 2 into stack 2. So now we create a 1, 3, 2. So it's a opposite of like 2, 3, 1. And then check left and right. So we found 4. That's why push 4 into stack 1. And then after that, push 5 into stack 1. So for this triangle, so now we are 2, right? So post-order traversal is like a 4, 5, 2. So that's why when we create a reverse of output, so 4 is our last node. So that's why, first of all, we push 4 into stack, and after that, we push 5 into stack 1, so that next time we can pop 5 at first. So pop 5, and then push 5 into stack 2. And then there's no node, right? So that's why we don't push anything into stack 1. And then pop 4 from stack 1, and then push 4 into stack 2. And there's no node, so we don't push anything into stack 1. And now look at the stack 2. So 1, 3, 2, 5, 4. 1, 3, 2, 5, 4. Looks good. Completely opposite of output. And then next, just iterate through stack 2 from the end, and then create the output. So 4, 5, 2, 3, 1. Yeah, so that is a basic idea to solve this question. So let's jump into the code. Okay, let's write the code. First of all, if not root, just return empty. If not the case, we create a stack 1 initialized with root node, and the stack 2 is an empty list, and the result variable empty list. And let's iterate through stack 1. While stack 1 is not null, we continue. So first of all, pop top of stack, so node equal stack1 dot pop, and then push current node into stack 2. So append and a node, and then after that, if node dot left, in the case stack1 dot append and the node dot left, and we do the same thing for right side, stack1 dot append and the node dot right, and after that, while stack2. And now we have reverse order of output in stack2. So that's why less dot append and stack2 dot pop, and we need a value, right? So var, and then return result variable. Yeah, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of n, and the space is also order of n. Okay, let's improve the second solution. Actually, we don't need to use 2 stacks. We only use 1 stack. And so let me delete stack 2. And while stack 1 has data, so we pop data from stack 1. And this stack 2 should be result variable. And we should append node.var. And if we have left child, append left child to stack 1. And if we have right child, we append right child to stack 1. Looks good. And then after that, we don't need this while loop. And now result variable has a reverse order of output. So that's why we should reverse result variable like colon colon -1. Yeah, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time is on, and the space is on. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. So if you want to watch medium or hard video ad-free, please join the membership. The most affordable plan costs about 61 cents US dollar as of August 26, 2025. So if you skip Starbucks tomorrow, you can use that money to pay for whole year of membership. Yeah, I'll see you in the next question.